Good morning. I'm Graham Doessel, founder and CEO of My CRA Lawyers in Brisbane, and we're Australia's only specialist credit repair law firm. Hey, the reason for the video this morning is I'm being a little bit selfish, and the payoff is that because I'm being a little bit selfish, I want to give you something as well, and that is that, like, yesterday I got an opportunity to pay a large sum of money that'll save me a small fortune. So what that means is I've got this opportunity, and if I take advantage of it now, I get a discount. And so, well, I need to raise some more money in a hurry. And so I thought, well, you know what? I want to do this. And if I can pass that on, so the savings I make by being able to pay this early is something that I can pass on to you. So what I'm doing is for today, Friday, and up until 5 p.m. Monday, but I'm going to stop this thing as soon as I get the money I need, because it's, no use giving away money for nothing, is 20% off all of our products and services. So if you want to take advantage, like I'm taking advantage of this opportunity, then give us a call on 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218 today, and step through the process. Tell us what happened with you. We'll see if you qualify, and if you qualify, by the way, you can still have the 100% money back guarantee for consumer defaults. We normally don't combine offers, but in this particular example, I want to take advantage of this paying up front and getting a discount opportunity. So if I pass that on to you by you pay up front and get a 20% discount as well, there's no need to. I'm waffling. If you get started and if you qualify for the money back guarantee, you still get the money back guarantee, and you get 20% off on anything you pay for up front today. And as soon as I have the level that I'm chasing, the offer is pulled. So it's either going to be you or somebody else is going to get the limited number of opportunities to save this 20% on credit repair. So not only credit repair, of course, though, Australia's only specialist credit repair law firm. We get most defaults removed in 30 days, and 29.4 of those get done in 7 days or less. So if you want your removal resolution in 7 days or less, give us a call. You might be one of the ones that can do that and save 20% at the same time. Anyway, pass this around. Anybody you know. If you're a broker, share it with other brokers. If you're a potential client, share it with other potential clients. But after you get in first, of course. Yeah, I look forward to bringing you on board and getting your credit rating all cleaned up so that you can get the finance that you deserve. Thanks. See ya.